XU, what's up y'all? It's your boy A Sharp coming at you live here from Los Angeles, California. You all showed me so much love at the XU 2004 homecoming, and thank you all so much. I appreciate it. To the person who filmed me, don't know who you are, but I thank you so much for capturing all that wonderful school spirit on the yard. Many of you asked in the comments, A Sharp, can you teach it to us? Can you come down to campus and get us prepped for the Centennial Homecoming? Unfortunately, due to schedules, me working, y'all working in school, I can't make it, but hey, I thought, why not? Let me give you all what you all have been asking for. So here's the YouTube tutorial to get you all prepared for XU Homecoming Centennial 2025. So we're gonna do this in different stages. I'm gonna break you all off with phase 1, then phase 2, then we're gonna put it all together, and then I'm gonna run it with 2 signature songs by our featured artist, partners in crime, who gave us Red Hot Pepper Boy and Pump the Party. So pull back your chairs, coffee tables, everything else, get your water, get a towel, because you're gonna need it, and let's get into it. Here we go. All right, Xavierites, here we go. Phase 1. So when the song first comes on, we're just gonna be rocking to the beat and just feel it. Alrighty, and once I count us in, 5, 6, 7, 8, we're gonna throw those elbows for my folks from ATL. So here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you see, we're starting off on our right, and we're tapping our knees, and we're doing like a little roll pop. So think of that as I'm tapping, getting ready, roll, and you can pop that however you feel. It's our jam. This is our homecoming, so we're going to celebrate and go for it. So again, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alrighty? So we're tapping the knees and doing the roll pop twice. Alrighty? That's phase 1. Alright, so let's do phase 1 to music, shall we? 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, I know y'all were feeling that. I know you felt the song because I felt it myself. Let's do that again, shall we? 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright peeps, now on to phase 2. The last part of the routine is we're going to shimmy to the right. So after our last roll pop, we're going to shimmy right, 2, 3, X. And we're just going to make an X with our arms. Then we're going to shimmy to the other side. 5, 6, 7, U. And U is just raising up our arms. Now I need y'all to get with that. Yell that X out, X! And you're going to hear me say, X what? U. Reach down into the belly for that, okay? Don't play with it. This is 100 years. Xavier only turns 100 once, okay? So let's get it. So we go. So that last tap, roll, pop. 1, 2, 3, X! X what? U. And make sure you give yourself, not me, give yourself some knees. Raise those knees. That first shimmy, that X, raise that knee up. Come back. U. We gotta move. These bodies were made to move, so let's move them, all right? So once that knee comes down, then our feet are gonna go in and out twice on each side. So we're gonna come down, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Alrighty, so one more time. So you, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. From there, we're just going Josephine Johnny. And Josephine Johnny is just that foot tap. Now we're just bringing our fists down, feeling the beat. All right, so after that last knee comes up, then we're just going Josephine Johnny to your left, my right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And and that's it. And then we start the dance all over. Hey folks, so let me just say this here. I know that there's been talk about that I made up this dance. I cannot take credit for this dance. This dance was passed down to me by peer deans and Xavierites, Neil Lewis and Alfred Johnson. Those are the two Crunkus peer deans that I met amongst many others who ensured that we learned and did this dance at every single patio show. So I took it upon myself to adopt it and still stay true to its roots and ensure that my class and every class thereafter ensure that we did it at every patio show. So I thank you all for embracing it, but please give a shout out to the class of '02 and all the peer deans that came before the class of '03, '04 and '05 and all the others. We pay homage to our legacy Xavierites who passed this dance down to us, and thank you all for embracing it. Now, hey, let's put some tunes to it, shall we? Let's do that again, shall we? Alrighty, we got phase 1 and phase 2 down, so now let's put it all together. Here we go. Alright folks, so just a quick commercial break. As you see, I got the XU merch on, alrighty? So shout out to my classmate, Xavierite Allison Singleton. She is on IG, y'all. Custom Designs by Allie. That's A-L-L-Y. Hit her up on Instagram. Her link is at the bottom of this video. So please go show her some love. She will be back to homecoming. And also my boy Jason Spriggins of 504 Leans. www.504leans.com has got your Xavier merch as well too. So hit the people up. Let's support our own, y'all. So now we're about to go full out. We're going to do it this time to another song by Partners in Crime called Pump the Party. Alrighty. So again, get your water if you need it. We're going to go full out, but this time, in order for me to go full out for y'all, I'm going to go the opposite. So how I did it, mirroring you and the directions that work for you, I'm going to go the opposite way. So this is going to be how it's going to be when we're on the yard. Alrighty? So here we go.